Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, July the 9th, and the time is around 20 minutes past the midnight GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of Nifty. This is a 45 minutes chart here. We can see that we ended with 4 in the minor degree here, and since then Nifty has resumed on the upside. And so we are currently within wave 5 in the minor degree, which subdivides into another 5 waves. So right here we got with this 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal ending 1 of 5 here in the minute degree, and currently doing this with 2 pullback in the form of a flat ABC, right? And soon we're going to be reaching the 100% extension area, from which we expect support to come, and from here we can go to new high, or at least bouncing in 3 waves here. So the area is 15,462 and 15,635. So from here we can get at least 3 waves reaction higher, if not going to a new high. Now a couple of things here. If you look at the structure of the pullback, now this first leg of the pullback here is subdividing into a 3 swing here. Now this is indication usually that this is only a corrective structure, because if this is an impulse, or if there is any change in the trend, this would have been a 5 waves down with a very impulsive wave 3, especially like this, but it is not, right? It is only a 3 swing, 1 2 3, and also finishing exactly at the 100% extension, which is what you expect in a corrective structure, right? So now if we can really get another leg lower, then we expect we should be finding support right here, again either to new high, or at least a 3 waves reaction higher. Now if we zoom out on the daily, we can see from the March 2020 low, if you try to draw a trend line here, we are also close to that trend line support here. If you can compare the equal leg 15,635, 15,462 to this trend line here, this is more or less, we have a dual support between the blue box and also a long-term trend line from 2020 right here. So what we don't want to see is the Nifty breaking below 15,462, or breaking and closing below this trend line. Now if that were to happen, that will signal that Nifty most likely is going to be doing a bigger pullback, right? But until then, there is no reason to speculate on a top, which is going to continue to be with the trend here. And also the idea that this first leg is a 3 swing also favors still the upside in the Nifty, and this will be what where we expect Nifty to find buyers, right? And then either go to new high, or at least giving us a 3 waves reaction to the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.